Good morning, class. Have a seat. How are you all? Radhe, 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 Radhe. Okay. So today we will learn A sound. Vowel. A sound. Okay. And we will learn about A sound. Ab are clear to all of us, na? Now it's add. Okay. Okay. Who will come first? Preeti, come beta. Come here, come. First one is Preeti. B and a bed. Very good. Clap for Preeti, everyone. Very good. Okay. No, I will call. Rinky. Second one is. Speak loudly. Dad. Very good. Clap. Pallavi. Read. Read. Okay, go clap. Abhi. Very good. Go clap. Okay, next. Okay, Sanjeet. Mad. Very good. Clap. Next. Kriti, come. Very good. Clap. Okay, come. Ajo, come. Ten. Sad. Very good. Clap. Okay. Now see. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? D. Okay. And this? D. Which letter is missing? A. What we call this? What we call? Okay, now. Okay, who will solve? A. L-A-D. Lad. Very good. Clap.